Hey guys, this is Justin
And Alexis.
with Dynasty Preppers, and today we're going to take a look at another meal on Taste Test Tuesdays, the Omeals Creole Chicken with rice. Stay tuned. Real life is messy.
Let us ease the burden during lean times by being better prepared now.
We're a family center preparedness channel doing gear reviews and quick tips and taste tests just like this one.
If you're new here, please consider subscribing.
Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at the Omeals Creole Chicken with brown rice. And this is a unique package of food we found that actually has the heating device in it, so that should be awfully good for backpackers and things like that. Alexis is going to talk about the ingredients here.
This one is Creole chicken with brown rice. I think Justin said that.
I did.
The ingredients are tomatoes, water, brown rice, cooked chicken, celery, bell peppers, onions, tomato paste. It does have cornstarch in it, so Justin will not be eating it. But I can, because there's no dairy, there's no gluten.
Right.
What else is there no of? It does have soy, which
It does have soy, but
I'm
that's okay.
But I'll eat it.
That's okay.
This one's kind of awesome though, like Justin was saying, is it heats itself. So we're not going to put boiling water in this one, just tap water. It comes with the bag, a food pouch, a heating element, and a utensil. I'm going to go ahead and pull this open and show you. Yeah, it's kind of cool that it has, I mean, we carry spoons, but...
I think for hiking or backpacking or something, that'd be kind of cool to have if you want a hot meal without a fire.
So this is the heating element right here.
Kind of reminds me of an MRE, heating element.
Yep.
Very similar.
And then we have our food pouch, which feels, it's moist, it's not dry.
Looks exactly like an MRE so far. It's
so
good.
far, yep. And then I think there's a spoon in here.
Very cool.
A spoon and salt and pepper and a napkin.
Excellent.
So let's look, I'm going to look at the expiration though on this because I bet you it is not going to be as long.
MREs last 20 years too, so 15.
This stamp to be able to read. Oh.
That you tore off?
5/14/21. So what's that?
That's
4
3
years?
years, 4 years. That's not too bad. So I think
years?
this would be...
I can't do math. 3 years.
3 years.
Not horrible.
Yeah.
Small, it's all in a small, thin,
Right.
get in frame here, package.
And we always suggest, even if being 3 years, we always suggest you store things that you're actually going to eat.
Right.
So if you're hiking or camping or whatever, and you eat, you like this and you eat it more often, having something with a 3-year shelf life shouldn't be a problem because you can rotate through it.
And that's why we bring you guys this taste test is so you can see what we think.
Right.
Or me in this instance, and the kids too, right? Like, if you're in some kind of situation, you want your kids to be happy. Trust me, you want your kids to be happy. Well, if you can provide them some kind of comfort in a stressful situation, which is good with food, right?
Yep. Well, and the best thing about the taste test is you're not spending money on something that is horrible. And we've had some stuff.
And we tell our kids exactly what you think is what you should say.
Right.
Do not try to please the audience. And I tell too, like we're not affiliated with these people.
Nope.
They did not say, we bought them ourselves with our own money. So true reviews coming right here.
Yeah.
So
let's go ahead and get this ready, and then we'll go into it.
So I'm going to add 3 to 5 ounces of liquid and wait 3 to 5 minutes. And I'll show that on the tabletop. And then we'll get into tasting. So I'm going to do the chicken Creole with brown rice on video, the making of it. It's different than the freeze-dried food. When I was noticing about this package, it's not freeze-dried. It's liquid in the package. And what you're going to do is, there's a heating element in there. Open up the heating element and drop it into the outside packaging, just like that. And then it says to add 3 to 5 ounces of water. I did measure out, I have 4 ounces. I thought I'd split the difference. But there is also on the bag, if you can notice, right here on the back is a fill line. So if you were out in the wilderness and you have, like, how would you know what 3 ounces is, right? Pretty much, you could eye it. But there is a fill line right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water in to the fill line, or I put 4 ounces in, but let's see, it came up to be, right at the fill line. And so that activates the heating unit there, and then you slip this in. So you're not rehydrating any food. It's already hydrated in that pouch. What it's doing is it's warming it up for you. So which is kind of nice if you can't make a fire or you're not wanting to make a fire. And then there's a steam vent here, and it says to let it set for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it set, and then we'll open it up and tell you how it tastes and how hot it is. As you can see, our Omeals Chicken Creole is steaming away. It has been 5 minutes since I started. It's still steaming and heating, but we're gonna open it up because it says it's ready and see what it tastes like. We took out the package of food here and it is hot. It was a little tricky to get out of the package while it's steaming. But if you were out in the wild, I'd just pour it out on the ground or something. The nice thing that Justin and I were just having a conversation about is it would be really easy for kids to make this. You don't have to have clean water to make it. You don't have to have, actually it says any liquid. So I guess if all you have is pop or, coffee. I have no idea, coffee, beer, whatever. Hopefully y'all don't have beer in your bags. You could use whatever liquid because it's not rehydrating anything. It's just warming it up. And you know, if you're really, if you can't get it to warm up, I'd still eat it anyway. But you're gonna have a hot meal here. Super easy to do, super easy to follow instructions. So we're gonna open it up and give it a try. Here I poured it out in the bowl and this is all you're getting. Definitely one serving, the baby wants to eat it. One serving right there in the pouch. It is warm, steam's coming off of it. Okay, we're gonna dish it out here. As you can see here, when we doled it out with 4 people, you're not getting a lot, so you're definitely gonna wanna have your own. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. This is chicken Creole rice. It's not spicy. To me, it just tastes like tomato and rice. What do you guys think?
Yeah, pretty much.
Tomato and rice?
Yeah.
There's very little chicken. But as like with the freeze-dried stuff, you're not getting the chunks that aren't like rehydrated because it's already hydrated.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Chase?
I think it tastes like tomato and rice and chicken mixed together.
Yeah. It's not like overly flavored. For me, I'd want something maybe a little bit highly flavored, but for kids, it's pretty bland. Like I said, not spicy. They're all eating it. Jace ate all his. Jordan, you've ate all yours.
Yeah. Can I have some more?
There is no more, buddy. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Would you eat it if it was in your bag?
I would eat 20.
You would eat 20. So Jace gives it a thumbs up. Jordan, how about you?
Nope, 25 thumbs up.
Jordan, how about you?
It was good. It just, I would like, it's not like that I'm gonna like flavorful, like I would want to have it all the time, but it's good.
How about you, Aubrey?
I really liked it. This would definitely be a comfort food for me. My backpack.
Yeah. What I really, really like, I guess what makes me, I would definitely suggest this is definitely because of the heating element. If you, like I said, if their kids were out by themselves for some reason, and I don't know, if you couldn't build a fire or you were stuck in a car and you didn't have the means to warm up your water or anything like that, I liked the fact that you just had to add some kind of liquid and you made you a hot meal, which we all know we would eat things cold, right? But a hot meal does something for the soul. So if you needed it, then it would be there and it's just easy to make. So I say that we at Dynasty Preppers give it 2 thumbs up for ages all across. Justin did not, again, try this because it has cornstarch in it. He can't eat corn. So if we can find some without corn, we'll give another try for those. Thanks, guys.